Some brother say different mind.
That's what I said.
We say some brother two different mind.
Oh, well, I go. Hold up. Fuck up this all up. Fuck up this all up. Nah, nah. Fuck up, I apologize to you.
Hold on.
Papa, when I say, hey. My two dogs, the
Here, man.
style, man.
You see, anytime you get a number one out there, I said, I come back and rise. I apologize. A long time you got it.
Apologize. You take my blood color, you take my white rice, and I apologize.
You did that cooked a night, boy.
White rice, man. It's white rice. The rice up his name. Any rice like that, have a color. Papa,
Make sure
the
the red color though.
No, then I red.
Then rice and beans are red color. If you use too much kidney bean, it turn red now.
My kidney bean?
Yeah. So I'm going to
Kidney
go
bean.
use.
Yo, my lad.
Kidney.
Every time you come down here, every time you come down here, please
Him
come back and chill.
lucky me now. Him lucky me now. Go for the brown bag.
That's why, hey, why you think you have in that movie? Why you think you have in the movie? School. They never sold up. If it's sold, you would have. I think rice is easy. That meat of rice, I'll give up family that.
Baron. Chico, stop coming, come fuck with the man today, so.
Hey, every time I run him slap.
It's like a door for me, I run me out. Over the care. You run me every time.
You look in the recording now, go on right now.
I know you record
Let's talk.
You record slap go on right now.
Because with all the African one in blood clot come back here to you know. Because you come and get blind. Eh?
Go on, I beg ask you something.
Quenga, me, you know.
Yeah, man, yo. So listen, we can't bullet here. Let's beg ask you.
I want to hear the man can't burn it in there.
One back like, yo. Chico, don't say that, man. Can you chat too much tonight? You fuck up the shit last time, man. Just shut up, bro.
No Quenga there for him.
Now, see me get a slip without no talk.
Yeah. That shit small to me.
Today is blind day.
Yeah, every day should be blind.
Blind day.
Revelation.
Yeah, where you can't, but no cigarette can't smoke.
Where you think man
Listen, no cigarette can't smoke here today.
Gosh, Quenga, this year, give me.
You think man have Alzheimer's? You have about blind day?
Yo, Chico, that's cool, man.
Listen, no cigarette.
Chat too much now,
No cigarette can't smoke here today.
Thank you, Quenga.
I was a cry day.
Listen, a spliff day today. You have an option like you can burn it.
Cliff.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm having a smoke. You got to have a blood clot.
That's why you have to go to
Chat
the
too much now, man. I tell you.
I bet you smoke some weed. And a cigarette.
Weed.
I'm gonna kill you off.
I'm smoke a weed right now.
You hear them? Cigarette. Anything you have a wreck? Anything you have a wreck on it? Regret? Wreck?
What is a red? Cigarette.
Cigarette.
Yeah.
Let it die.
Let what?
Yo, Chico, let's go with the joke. I'll be a joke for you come and stay with that. Yo, Chico, let's go.
I have some girl friend. I don't know Chico friend.
Yo, well, they don't smoke cigarette dead. They're afraid because you have three at a time.
I'm big up time for a colleague.
Why you?
You see I'm blind here, man.
I'm blind here.
I'm blind here.
You're going like a cry day.
You know into me yesterday.
Hey.
Oh gosh, Quenga, man.
You know into me. Me know all them voice change so no.
Oh gosh, Quenga, man.
I'm coming like African yesterday.
You know how to tell him man that, man.
Like you go
buy my leaf. Me sell him for $10.
Quenga, that's cool, man. You know how to tell him.
I'm my leaf. Come here yesterday I want to pay me now the money and bad me up. Take me all the whole of my money, you know.
So what's the dog say for the leave?
Eh?
What's the say for the leave?
$5 I'm not the money for your Marley.
$10?
I'm not the money for your Marley. For Marley bad me up. Take the whole of my money yesterday.
You should have blood clot.
You think I joke?
So Marley move. Marley move like so.
Nobody else can come in no gun.
I saw you feel doing that.
Nobody else can come in no more.
No, so Marley no right though. I would like so they didn't like my crack like that.
Yo, the man don't want to live no more with me.
Marley no right.
The man promised me box. The man say
alright.
You see back up all like I shot that.
The man promised me all a box. The man say oh.
Anytime, hey, you know, anytime I say Marley, I say Marley if you're outcast, you know. You know, say you're soda back. You're cradle Marley.
You say better mind you talk to Marley, can be pretty.
I'm not afraid of Marley.
That man arrest that
I
Quenga.
old man come like on bad me.
That man arrest that Quenga.
I say I old man come like on bad me, but that for blood.
Well, anytime I see me, I say you're outcast Marley. I want to you.
Quenga, I'm sorry for my Marley, man.
My lord.
You don't say I'm blind here, man. I saw you if you treat the
I
artist.
give you Marley yesterday. You forget. What happened to you, African language? I turn you, you turn me.
No one ever be that shit.
Not a turn.
That's cool, man.
So how was you yesterday?
Not a turn.
Let's give him time, Ali.
I'm going to take my
I saw you have to treat the artist.
I'm
I don't want that to know.
I want Laros.
I'm going to take
I want
my
that Laros, man. That's
yeah, I'm
cool.
going to take man for worm. How you want?
I want Laros, man. Laros.
I want the black front up. What you say now?
I'm going to take man for worm. That's about not a turn.
No, man, you can't dig up the concrete. Worm can't come, not concrete.
Concrete.
Dirt, they didn't know you could have said worm.
Not concrete.
Not dirt.
Germs are not concrete. Not worm.
Dirt, they always eat dirt in your yard. In your youth.
Me never eat dirt.
A lot you tell.
Well, like a little girl let me flirt from you about eat
When
dirt.
you look eating the dirt,
Eat what kind of dirt?
the brown dirt, you know why it's search the brown dirt and eat
For
it.
what?
It's good for you.
Me no eat dirt.
You don't eat no more now, but every youth eat dirt.
Me no eat dirt.
You know remember, man.
Too.
The black dirt,
Mm-mm.
you know why eating dirt there?
No, you're mad.
So that means me know say you don't come from earth.
I don't know come from
Ashes are dust enough.
yeah, but me a dirt. So me go eat the next dirt.
If you stay dirt,
No, me already a dirt.
you have to stay dirt. Every time you be in the beard after dirt, you have to put back dirt in you.
No, man, anything me eat, man, me go jerk.
Them a Babylon spy. Some say them a bad man and them bust it anywhere. Them on the bus and gun. What happy new here? You make off and then you.
Get the fuck down, nigga.
Hey man, we had to do it there, man.
What them lords, you know, China, dead now,
Stop with them, man.
dead now, bomb class.
Don't fuck me.
Fuck what? I saw
Hey, man, hey.
class and pussy. Class, I want to you. Eh? Want to you.
You gonna do what?
Jerk sitting.
We have jerk.
Jerk some pollo.
Yo, if you come and see you come talking
Some
about that.
Pollo.
What's sorry,
Chicken.
man?
A chicken named pollo. in
Sorry,
Spanish.
man. Talk with me in a good mood today.
You understand?
Yo, you have
Pollo.
A chicken.
My lad, you have to man.
Chicken. It's in Spanish. I name pollo. Chicken.
Listen,
I say fish
but
name pescado.
tell you come and them rascal.
You can still that Spanish man speak in
You want a
English.
pollo, man.
You can still that pollo.
Pollo.
Yeah, and in
What do you want to know?
Now see up to your
What do you want to know? What do you want to know? Pollo, se doyo, se boyo, koyo, choyo. No eat no yo, boyo.
you move like you're coco. Pollo, choco.
You better look at me a good
That rhyme,
boy.
everything
I'm not
right.
going to know my release long time now.
That's not right.
That not right.
Pollo, moyo, choco. Oh, yeah, that right.
And the man said, Jake, I think
You think
him
Batman
drive them
now
out like vehicle.
You think
And you come here with bomb buckler. When him come here with this in the chepe. You know what you want to chepe yet?
Then check on the good chicken.
You tune up about right
Check,
now.
That's how you catch so quick.
Then I cheat
Hey,
them.
You know
You me say?
So you go Ghana like him too?
Check a thing.
So you go Ghana too?
Eh?
You go Ghana with him?
Me go Ghana for.
Then
Check
I
on
get the name Chepe from. I tell the name Chepe.
Oh, yeah, you know, say, I mean, him they go down the still.
Yeah, but man, I tell you.
down there. But yeah,
That's like tell us stuff more the cigarette.
Is it check
Them say weed give you bad memory. You
Alright,
cigarette that give you bad
We have
memory.
Alzheimer's though, but we kind of you understand?
You better look at that.
I mean, we gotta go.
Actually, bring the back out, man. That's why. Actually, bring it. No,
Yeah,
already
yeah.
ask that. Don't bring it back here. I don't like the word.
I want
So,
to.
I can't call it
Front
on the
hardy
camera.
that, not back hardy, front hardy.
Yes, sir.
Front hardy.
Yeah,
We don't want the
front
front hardy either. I don't.
Yeah, man,
Nothing
front
hardy in the right thing, man.
No.
Front
Yeah,
hardy.
yeah, listen, man. Now bring
Front
this back.
hardy rum.
We not bring this back here.
When the man go in the liquor shop, you're the man.
Now bring it back. You can't ask it at Jamaica. You can't ask it at Jamaica.
What I mean?
You're the
If you
man.
go Jamaica, I'm not asking that. I want as a slap you I get for that.
Boy, stop, who?
Yo,
Me say, yo, give me a back glass
tell him.
front hardy there.
Yo, you're the man going to
That's
shop.
you.
I know that is a shop. You're
Where you call
the
it?
man that shop with top shop.
I bet they say Pumba.
It's not him say pum pum. Pum pum man.
Pum pum
They say
man.
pum pum man.
Oh, well.
Yeah, say yo, we have to tell that by road.
Say no better than Bacardi.
Pum pum.
Eh?
Pum pum hardy better than Bacardi.
I bet you say back. Well, none of
Me
them.
can ride the pum pum. Me not ride no back.
No, you said drink.
Boy, you ride the Pumba Mardi.
I drink, you drink them.
Pumba Mardi, one different
No,
song.
me drink it and then ride
No,
it.
you see,
No,
man, get the fire in the car.
no, you know. Listen what I want.
No.
Me
You can't say that either.
Me sip on the front hardy and then ride the pum pum. Me can't stay.
Bombo Yo! You hear what my roots are the quiet, You hear what Chica say?
So the pum pum I didn't ride.
Hey, but tell you that you go Jamaica, they go stone you off.
I can't store
Why
it.
not? You have to put on clothes, but you wear
I
them.
mean, maroon.
You have to put on clothes,
Call
but
me
you
up on the
hard them.
stage, I'm not call me up on the stage.
Me not
Let me say, we sip on the front party, rum, and then ride the Chica later. We can stay there.
No, that's what they say.
No.
That is
That's what I explained to you.
No.
You sip on the front card.
Sip on the front card, you rum.
No, you never say rum. No.
Alright. Right now.
You never say rum.
You
You never say rum. You say you sip on the front card.
Front card.
Well, that
The
was a
front
mistake.
hardy.
That sound like you hit the pumps.
Yeah.
No, I'm not feeling the pump for sip on some rum.
No, you say you sip.
No,
you
said
say
the
nothing
pum
to
hardy.
that.
You said slip on some pum hardy.
You say
One of the things that the artist jumped.
no, you
No,
say
they say
I sip on some rum. And
Yeah, you
then
never said
they come on and do the
Where
pump
you never
card.
said that.
Where call?
Rude boy.
Alright. They suppose somebody record it right now. Can
You never said that.
Record it. Me sip, me make a mistake.
Pass
and tell me
already.
You
sip
should
on
have
rum
recorded
card.
him bumbo clock, man.
Pass.
You should have recorded blood.
Pass.
No,
No, say no.
You say yo.
It's all good.
My lad, that 2 against 1. Yo, you say.
Yeah.
Tell us say you
Yeah,
go
but
Me
Jamaica.
not care. Wanna think, I wanna think.
You say you sip on the front card.
Shirker thing can work.
Me say that because me make a mistake.
Shirker thing can work. The fika can work. The Mika thing will work. But what you just say a while ago?
That fucked up.
Me sip on the front hardy. And then
No.
it's a rum. So, where you wanna say, man, I'm not from the junk.
You say you sip on the pump card.
That lyric said now go work on that song.
Hey, me say me sip on the pump card and a
Me say,
pump
not even
card.
Vibes Cartel.
A rum, me say.
Me say,
Rum, say pump.
not even Vibes
You say
Cartel.
you sip
You
on
remember when
the
Bob Marley said, went down, don't shut sugar all over a book.
Me feel some maroon.
I never wonder, what kind, you think say that a subliminal? No, you think say Vibes Cartel gonna get you that. That in Bob Marley get you this. Somebody say, oh yeah, get to it, blood clot, slip on
Where you say, Papa,
front,
you
slip
see,
on
say
front
what?
hardy.
Where you say?
When sip on front hardy.
No.
No,
Me say.
Oh, me feel say you have to suck. Me feel say. Can you say you have to sit on
me
front
say,
card?
anyone is an
No, calm your
artist.
pan stage. No,
say-
calm your pan
Me
stage.
call up on a third class stage. Me call up on the
Calm your
stage.
pan stage.
Oh, I'll tell you.
No,
No, come on, I feel like one of you there.
Beer, nah, get the beer on them, man. Who tell us say I'm drinking it right now?
But 2 1 out dinner.
Look, I was serious today, Quenga, man.
I mean serious.
Yeah, how long a thing, Quenga,
I mean, I wouldn't sell. Yeah, come in and mass.
Yeah, how long you think, man?
Contract, and I don't know that. You know
Yeah, that's right. Jim can you can we and jack with.
Me show you we serious. A 2 ganja bun at the place where your fire marshal get fucked.
Make sure you come out here now. That me a try
You're
to
the
tell
man,
you.
man. You're the man.
I'm not come like you
You're
not
the
take
man,
man to do that, you know.
You're the man, man. You're the man, man.
Man, this jar, this, you
You're
know.
the man, man.
Gorilla out. Gorilla out. But that be I tell you, gorilla out.
No, you can't, I mean, nothing. No, can't come up here.
Can't do nothing.
No.
We're not pine gun pan paper for nothing. Now we're shooting your name make you bleed out.
Shoot now what you need.
What do you mean?
Stickers around each other to fight. Cause all we grow is rivals, so we grow more rivals. So we gotta ride, get together. Motherfuckers know that we down for whatever.